today I'm going to show you how to get your phone unlocked. This will work for any brand, including Samsung, LG, Motorola, Huawei, or any other. If you're new to the channel, welcome on board. We upload a lot of tech videos in the channel. So I'm going to show you how to get your phone unlocked. And the first thing we're going to have to do is to get the IMEI number of the smartphone. To do that, simply dial *#06#. As you will see, the 15-digit number will show up in the screen. This number is very important. This is a unique number. Sometimes it's also behind the box or in the settings on your phone. Based on this number, we will unlock your phone. So now we're going to switch screens and we're going to proceed to a website. In this website, we will request the unlock to unlock this phone using the IMEI number. So we need to start by filling in the form, brand of your phone, and you will have to insert your 15-digit IMEI number. That's the number we got a few seconds ago. Lastly, you're going to insert your email. That's where you want to receive your unlock code. So make sure you write it down correctly. Very important as well. Here you will have to wait a few days to get your phone unlocked. So once you have received your unlock code in your email, it will look something like this. Now we just need to activate the unlock. And we're going to power off the device and insert the SIM card. It can be any GSM SIM card. Ideally, it should be different than the original carrier, just to test if the unlock works. So when you power on your device, the first thing you're going to see with the new SIM card is this message requiring an unlock code to unlock the network of the phone. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to insert the code, and then it's going to be accepted.